Oh my gosh, it's a gadget cache. Hey cachers, Kodee Cache and fam, we've got a bit of a drive today. Thanks to Video Magic, it'll be quick for you guys, but for us it's, well, 2.5 hours. Why am I driving over 2 hours for one cache? Because it's special. And, there's an and, we've got a very special guest with us today. And that young guest is also a muggle, for now. If you follow my Instagram, or watch my vlog video that I uploaded, you probably already have a good idea. If not, don't click off of this video to go watch it. You're gonna find out in 65 more miles. Just kidding, you're gonna find out now. My son, Pennsylvania, doesn't have a didgeridoo. Pennsylvania, no didgeridoo. He doesn't look anything like me, does he? I shall call him Mini-Me. Okay, we're here. We made it. We're at the cache. Now, before I reveal this cache, quick disclaimer, and don't click off. It'll be worth it, I promise. Since I drove 138 miles for this cache, you're probably thinking it's some awesome gadget cache. Well, not exactly. We are going to find a gadget cache after this, though, so stay tuned. I remember the first time I was trying to find this cache, too. I had such a hard time. I was running all over the place, like, where's the cache? Where's the cache at? Where's the... Is it in this tree? Is it this pine cone? Where's the cache at? Where's the cache? I don't see the cache. Where's it at? Where's that? I don't see it. Where is it? Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the reveal. You guys see it? Do you see the cache? It's kind of strange for this sprinkler box to be so far above ground, don't you think? So it's not a gadget cache, but it's still special to us because this is the first cache that we, pre-baby, ever found. Look, baby, we found it. We found the geocache. He's not very happy. He's getting cranky. Uh-oh. Maybe he's mad because he can't be out here with us to find it. It's a little too cold and windy for him, though. Alright, let's put it back where it's supposed to be. He's a hungry baby. You a hungry baby? Yeah, you just want us to let him eat. How does it feel to find your first geocache? Oh, baby Yoda hand. I think he's ready for more. Not just bottled geocaching. Congratulations, you've been de-muggled. By the power vested in me as a cacher, I de-muggled thee. In the name of the cache, the log, and the holy coordinates, I deem thee a geocacher. Alright, we're at the gadget cache location. It's about time. No, really, it's about time. You should get here at 11:45, but you can't sign the log until 5:10. Please don't leave until it's 11:45 again. Shoot, we got a long wait. Or maybe we gotta do something here. Hey, that's not a cache. What do you think we could do with this key?
I have no idea.
Didn't you see a lock somewhere?
Yeah.
Let's see if it fits that lock. Try it out. See what's in there. Whoa! Look at that cache. Look at this crazy face sticking out looking at us. That's a little zombie guy. That's cool. Whoa! Whoa! There's some army men. Let's sign this log. There it is right there. It's official. Cache closed. Alright, now we gotta get back to the car. What happened to Dad's hair? Well, if you're a good boy, this will happen in probably like another 30 years instead of 10. He's looking at me. He doesn't know what's going on.
Look at the camera. He's such a natural.